The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy pants banker in his three-piece suit, the big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. The famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. But can the size of Canada can't spray away the truth, cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. But if you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even all the wealthy people gotta make do. And if you live long enough, it's happening to you. Sooner or later, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops.
Oh man, dang, you killed her. We're gonna walk across the beams here. The impending plant puts a new level of coolness to it. All right, up here we got the church on Cumberland Road, if I can keep from falling off. Got my little Parker pig, my little Ariel mermaid. Church on Cumberland Road. Yeah, that's Mom and I'm the Parker pig. All right. All right, let's head back.
All right, I'm ready to pick Granny up.
You picking Granny up from the church? It is Sunday. It's Mother's Day, actually.
Yep.
Happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. So now we're gonna turn the corner. We're gonna go down the slide.
And happy Mother's Day to all the women.
Let's go down the slide. There's rocks and stuff on the bottom for you to be able to wham, 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 wham. All right, so now let's take the ramp over to the spiral. Head up the spiral staircase. Up. And my battery's dead. Dang, Bob.
Oh, dang it. Now that's too. Oh, me and my battery died too.
Oh, dagnabbit. Well, we did fill them up at the same spot last time. You got the big block and I got the big block, so. What are we gonna do now?
We need to call for backup.
Backup?
Mm-hmm.
Who's backing us up?
MJ!
MJ! Yeah! Unit 5, come in, Unit 5. Unit 5, come in, Unit 5.
Yes?
We need batteries by the old ramp staircase, please.
Okay. Batteries at the old ramp staircase. All right. I'll be there in a minute. I'm backing up. I accidentally unparked it.
Alright, now that we got our batteries swapped out and our dead batteries in our beds, we can carry them back in. Thanks, MJ. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You really whoop that thing's butt. Good job. Yeah. Just because I said good job don't mean you can go back there messing up now.
I didn't mean to.
This isn't for points. This isn't for anything like that. Of course, I said that last time too, and I made it for points. Alright, cool. Slide it. Slide it. Slide it. Oh, nice. Good job there, friend. You dropped your phone right there, friend.
Oh no.
No.
So, but then again, the name of the game, not easy, but not this freaking hard. I think these bow apart right there. Where's my battery at? Okay, now, let's, six in the phone.
Biscuits.
What a biscuit eater, bro. Come on. Oh, just not doing it. It's just not doing it. Oh, man. Okay, go back. Okay. Remember, we need to try and keep them tires over on this side of the beam. Keep them over on this side of the beam. Over on this side. Nope, you already messed up. That rear tire. Yeah, barely get those passenger side ones on, because it's going to try and pull you that way anyway. You need to come up here and watch it and steer it. Come up here and watch it and steer it. Try it again. Okay. little staircase. Got it here. All right. Well, that was a fun little run. We're gonna enjoy the rest of our Sunday, do some editing. Still have some work to do, some tows and whatnot. Anyway, we'll see y'all next time. Get out there, have fun, and don't quit till you're done.